Okay, we got these cut out pretty good, so you can see the eyes are about where I want them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Okay, I got to take a little off the top end here yet, but then I think we got the eyes pretty well set where we want them. That's about what we want. That right there. Okay, we've cut 3 blocks here. And this is for our neck piece. Those are going to go in here, up to there. So I'm going to glue these together, and then I can sand it down so to make sure it fits okay in there. They'll go up here like this. Thanks for watching.